Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh no, no. What is he doing? Crazy.
So you can use it as a pry tool, or you can use it as a drive tool, and it has a
Oh my gosh!
extra blade holder, so you effectively always have a sharp knife. And if we're being honest with ourselves, most of our EDC tasks are going to be tackled with a razor blade. So the Milwaukee 1505 coming in at $20, $15 to $20, but $20 all day is a stellar option for kind of that knife multi-tool combo. Now,
in a quarter-mile, turn right on.
Church was bleeding all over the place. People said the name of the building was Smokemont Baptist Church, an old one.
Will be enough to convince Trump voters to split their ticket and send the pair back to Washington. Republicans are skeptical of this. This whole argument that voters are going to split their ticket to the degree that they would need to. In Montana, for example, Trump won there by 16 points. And that kind of margin is just a tough thing to overcome.
I just want to note, Democrats still hope in places like Texas or Florida.
You mother. Nope. I don't know why. It's always a Jeep guy. It's always a Jeep. It's always a Jeep motherfucker. Alright. No innocence, bro. No innocence. No innocence. No innocence. Out here. I'm gonna show you how to road rage. Don't chill. You should break that. You should brake check that. On him. Yeah, go to the other. If that pussy was behind me, I would have got the car with my gun in my hand and just stare at him. Just to see what he do next. I would just stare at him.
Standing alongside, smoking a cigarette. The deputy also noticed skid marks indicating the truck had come to a sudden stop. The deputy asked the man if he had any identification. That request was based on the
Audio from the dash cam, by the way, but so that's why I'm doing this audio commentary. And all of a sudden I notice something in my rear view, and I slide over to the left. Thank goodness nobody was there, and I see this truck. Man, big guy didn't have brakes or something, and ended up smashing up this F-150 in front of me. I asked, I kind of just looked at him. He's like, "Yeah, I'm just looking for a place to pull off," and so I gave him a thumbs up. My truck's fine, so I just kind of just moseyed on along.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.